Hello guys, today we're gonna be playing Deswarm. I'm doing a quest right now. But, no. Finally fixed my mic. I just had to turn something off. No, it was on, but I had to switch it. I had to switch it to off. But I'm gonna try and, in this video I wanna at least get this quest finished. Up, here we go. I want tickets. That's what I need. I'm trying to save up for the gummy bee. I want the gummy bee. I need to get more of these. Already? I just used one. How does this one have 0? Well, I'll see you guys in this exact same spot once I'm done. Okay, I am finished with the quest. Let's go to Black Bear and talk to him. Let's see what I get. Not bad, 3 million. Oh, I think I have enough. Oh, it is! Yes! How long does this video have? Oh, it's only been 5 minutes. Well, still. Finally got a new beehive added to my collection, which means now I can get a new bee. I do have a gold egg I can use. No, I do not want to transform. Oh, shocked me. What is it be that I don't have? I think I transformed my looker bee. Oh wait, no, it's right there. Actually, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have a demo bee. How much bees do I have now? 31. Just 4 more, and then I can get to the windy bee. Okay. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you all have a good day. Wait, just let me do this quick. Hope you guys have a good day. Next video, new videos come out every day. Sometimes, wait, do I even have a lion bee? I do. Okay, everyone have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.